Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure it's unlocked and charged, then open Settings and go straight to Apps. Once there, tap Manage Apps and search for Recorder, Phone, or any voice assistant entry. This is where Xiaomi stores the announcement control. You do this now because the announcement is tied to app permissions and notification settings. Once you find the correct app, pause and examine its permissions and notifications sections. These are the first actionable areas where the announcement can be suppressed. You now modify the middle layer settings that commonly control announcements. Open the app's permissions and turn off microphone only if you don't use recording features, because revoking it stops recording announces but also disables recording. Next, tap Notifications, then Advanced. Find Announcement, Caller ID, or Live Transcription and toggle it off. Make sure to check special app access like notification access or display over other apps, because persistent announcement services may be granted there. So revoke any unnecessary. You finish by rebooting the phone to ensure changes take effect, then test with an incoming call or voice recording session to confirm silence. If the announcement continues, clear the offending app's cache and storage, then check for MIUI updates. System bugs sometimes re-enable features. If still unresolved, reset app preferences, which returns disabled apps and permissions to defaults without erasing personal files. Do this as a last step. Troubleshooting tip. If nothing works, boot into safe mode to identify a third-party app causing the announcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.